Timber Tiger Aircraft is a company that specializes in kits that replicate golden age aircraft. Behind us we have the Timber Tiger STL. It's a 95% scale Ryan ST replica. The original Ryan ST was a sport trainer, as they called it. It was used in the civilian world to train pilots for aerobatics. Later in the 40s, it became a military trainer. We decided to replicate the Ryan ST because it had such a great following in the vintage world. And the truth is there aren't very many out there. They're hard to find, and if you do find one, they're very expensive. So we replicated the airplane in the form of the STL to bring that dream to people. You know, you can now build a very faithful replica of one of aviation's favorites. We decided to go 95% scale instead of 100% scale. This allowed us to use modern engine options. It's not easy to find a Monasco, and if you do, it's pricey and it's hard to get parts for. So we've got a Rotax 912 ULS in this airplane. The biggest challenge in replicating any airplane in a smaller scale is that pilots don't shrink. So what we did is we rearranged the inside of the airplane, repositioned the rudder pedals, we repositioned the front seat, and what that allows is we actually have a little bit more room than an original despite the smaller scale. When we designed this airplane, we used a modern airfoil. We didn't use the original airfoil. And what that gave us is a very gentle stall characteristics, very gentle slow flight. You can have power on and be flying right at the edge of the low speed envelope. It's just a very gentle airplane. If you're looking at building an airplane, I think the people that are most going to be interested in this airplane are the Sunday flyers. I mean, go enjoy a sunset, go enjoy a pancake breakfast with your buddies. Just have fun. It's all about fun and the love of aviation.